So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On our hands, we have had some rather interesting overseas travel expenses. So 3 administrators are going to be sent all the way to Madrid, Spain on the mission of employee recruitment. A total of $11,147 will be spent on this trip. And so I like to remind the board that it seems just a tiny bit ironic that you will approve a trip all the way to Europe in order to recruit a person or some people for more than $10,000, while you also ignored calls for a national search for a superintendent, which is arguably the most important role for the school district. And so is it really so necessary in order to go all the way to Europe to find a Spanish-speaking person that can work in RPS205? Given the incredible diversity in the United States and the substantial Spanish-speaking population here, is it truly impossible to find at least one qualified employee in Illinois? Now, I would be completely fine with all of these expenses if it were under completely different circumstances. If we are in a time of surplus with absolutely no budget cuts, then fine, go ahead and blow over $10,000. If more than a dozen schools were not short on paper, then go ahead and send some people to Europe. And if supplies are really $2.5 million higher, then doesn't that just call for a tiny bit more careful spending? And right now, I could just get in my car, drive down to East State Street, and walk into Walmart, and with $11,147 in my hand, I could buy 2,067,500 sheets of paper. Imagine how much more students can gain if you spend money correctly. Just think of the possibilities that could come true. Thank you.